Everybody, the video today is going to be comparing two different types of edge controls or gels, and I'm going to use Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control. I believe this was less than $6, probably like $4 or so, I'm not sure. Ecostyler Argan Oil. I like this better than the green kind. Now the green kind might hold a lot better than this kind, but this kind is less flaking, I haven't used the green kind since like 2010, it's 2016. So, yes. I just started back using this because I never really slicked my edges or anything like that. I've never been into that. But with certain hairstyles, I think it looks better because I am natural when your sides are laid down. But I can't seem to find nothing that lay these edges down. So, and then I don't be having it on there, leaving it on there, well, you know, leave my bandana on long enough. So we're gonna try to see which one holds better. The Cream of Nature Edge Control, yeah, or the Ecostyler Gel. And this is the week that I have one. I revived it, y'all. It didn't have no life. It was matted. It was, yes. And guess what I used? This is by African Essence Control Wig Spray. It's the 3-in-1 for human and synthetic hair, wigs, falls, and hair pieces, braids. It softens, conditions, provides moisture and sheen. And it was like $4.99, and I'm pretty sure you can get this at Sally's. My mama bought me this, so I don't know where she got it from. But also, I want to give a quick shout out to my homegirl, Trish Easter. She is here on YouTube. That is her name, Trish Easter. She will show y'all how to create a custom hairline and do your parts. Because this, you can tell this is a wig by this part. But honey, I'm going to hook this up. But, so, once I get a hold of some a razor and some tweezers, I'm going to make my own hairline and help with this part. Now, let's get to it. I'm going to start, on this side, I'm going to use the Ecostyler. And I'm going to, if y'all see, excuse my pimple, y'all. Excuse that little pimple. So I'm coating it out. I'm going to have to look in the mirror, y'all, because I can't really look on here. And then I'm cockeyed, so if I look in a smaller space, my eyes going to be like, hey, how you doing? Where you at? You know. So I'm going to look up here. Just going to. Now, of course, the consistency of this Ecostyler and the Cream of Nature Argan Edge Control are going to be totally different. If you're familiar with gels, you know. So we're going to use the brush. I used the back end of the brush. Almost like I don't got no edges. I do have edges, y'all. Y'all know I shaved them off, honey. My edges have come a long way. I'm going to do this little widow's peak with the Ecostyler. But which way? Now this side is going to be pretty much covered up by the hair, but I'm just doing it for experimental purposes for y'all. So y'all see. You see how that is right now. You see how that is. I'm trying to hurry up. I should have did the edge control first because to try. I put pins. Yep, I put pins in my hair because I don't use I just started back using wigs, and I do not use the combs anymore because it broke off my hair, so I just pin it. So, let me brush this out first. A little bit. Brush it out. I put too much on my fingers. And them edge controls, honey, they will have you fooled. You be like, yes! And then 5 minutes later, but what happened? You see how that's laid? Yes, I love how they originally lay your hair down. Okay. So I'm going, y'all see how that, I don't know if y'all can see. So y'all see how that, you know what, yeah, we just do it like that. Okay. So that is the Cream of Nature on that side. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take my scarf. I usually like my bandanas. They help for it to dry faster. So I'm going to take, so you see that side is already reverting. You see that's laid, kinda, sorta. I'm gonna put this is a nylon scarf. I think I bought it from the dollar store. Is this nylon? Yeah, I don't know my fabrics. This might be sheepskin, I don't know. So I'm gonna tie that and I will be back in an hour or two, maybe 2 hours, and we will see. As I'm back, it has been about almost 2 hours since I put the bandana on. And remind you, this side, this left side, my left, your right, was the Ecostyler gel, with argan oil. This got to show y'all consistency. This consistency. Y'all know what gel looks like. All right. And on the right side was the Cream of Nature. The Cream of Nature. That's what that looks like. You know, edge controls are a lot thicker than gels. All right, let's take this down and see. It's been 2 hours. Let's see. Okay. This is the Ecostyler. Okay, I see you. I see you. It held down a little bit. It held. What y'all think? That's the Ecostyler. And it is pretty firm. It's pretty firm. Now, this is the Argan. Get that clip. It's the Argan. Argan is not holding as well. I can already tell that this is going to revert back soon. Yeah, I can already tell. So, it's been 2 hours. I have to go to work. So, when I'm at work, y'all, I'm going to sneak in the bathroom and try to show y'all in a couple hours how things are holding up. So, stay tuned. I'm back with an update. I am at work in the bathroom. Don't tell nobody. Okay, let's see how these edges are holding up. I'm going to end up moving this wig down because it failed me. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. As you see, it reverted back. It's not bad, but you see the texture of this and then this. No. Mm-mm. And then this side was the Ecostyler gel. Let's see how that. Ecostyler, it still feel. It did better than the Cream of Nature, but it's still no, yeah.